Hello everyone. In previous lecture, we have discussed about hyperbola. We have found a standard equation of hyperbola and related terms. Now we will solve some problems on hyperbola. First we have a look on the standard equation of hyperbola and related terms. Standard equation of hyperbola is x square upon a square minus y square upon b square is equal to 1. And in other form also, y square upon a square minus x square upon b square is equal to 1. In this, transverse axis lies along x-axis. And such type of equation, transverse axis lies along y-axis. Means, as you know, foci lies on transverse axis. Foci lies on transverse axis. And in such case, what are the foci? Foci are plus minus c comma 0. Vertices plus minus a comma 0, and as you know, length of latus rectum remains same in both. 2b square upon a, length of latus rectum 2b square upon a, and in this case foci on y-axis, so 0 comma plus minus c, and vertices 0 comma plus minus a. One more relationship, that is c square is equal to a square plus b square. As c known, we can find c upon a, and e is always greater than 1. So before solving the question, you must know some facts. And what about length of transverse axis? Length of transverse axis 2a. Length of conjugate axis 2b. So you should know these terms before solving the problem. Now we are coming to the problems. I will take problem from NCERT textbook. First type of problem is when equation of a hyperbola is given and we have to find some terms as foci, vertices, eccentricity, length of transverse axis, length of conjugate axis. The question number 1 that is I am taking is that find the coordinates of the foci and vertices and the eccentricity and length of latus rectum. Length of latus rectum. An equation of hyperbola is given 9y square minus 4x square is equal to 36. Now how can we solve this? Equation is given is 9y square minus 4x square equal to 36. But as we know, standard form is either x square upon a square minus y square upon b square is equal to 1. Right hand side must be 1. But this equation is not in standard form. First convert in standard form. How can we convert in standard form? Dividing by 36 on both sides. So y square, 9y square upon 36, 4x square upon 36, 36 upon 36 makes 1. So y square upon 4, x square upon 9 is equal to 1. Now, what is this? This form is y square upon a square minus x square upon b square is equal to 1. So, given equation is of the form, y square upon a square minus x square upon b square. So, what is a? That means this hyperbola in which transverse axis along y-axis, or you can say foci lie on y-axis. Now comparing 1 and 2, a square is 4, b square is 9, a is 3, a is 2 and b is 3. Now see the question. We have to find eccentricity also and foci also. So for foci we require C. So how can we find C? There is a relationship between C, A and B. C square is equal to A square plus B square. So C square 2 plus 3. Sorry, A square is 4 and B square is 9. A square is 4 and B square is 9. So C square is 13. C is root 13. Now, what we have to find? Foci. Foci, as you know, this is form, foci lie on y-axis. So foci is 0, plus minus C. That means 0, plus minus root 13. Vertices 0, plus minus A. 0. What is A? A is 2. So plus minus 2. And eccentricity is C by A. What is C? C is root 13 and A is 4. What is A? A is 2. A square is 4. A is 2. So root 13 by 2. And it is greater than 1. So, as you know, eccentricity of hyperbola is greater than 1. Now, length of latus rectum. Length of latus rectum. 2b square upon A. 2, what is b square? B square is 9 and A is 2. So, length of latus rectum is 9. So, question solved. Now, next we are coming to the problem in which any part or any two terms are given and you have to find equation of the hyperbola. This problem is also from NCERT textbook. The problem is find the equation of hyperbola. Find the equation of hyperbola satisfying the condition that whose foci of this hyperbola is plus minus 5 comma 0 and length of transverse axis is 8. Length of transverse axis is 8. Now see the question. In question, what is given? Foci is given and length of transverse axis is given. Now as you see, foci plus minus 5 comma 0, that means foci lie on x-axis. So what will be the form of hyperbola? X square upon a square minus y square upon b square is equal to 1. Because we have found that foci lie on x-axis. Foci is plus minus 5 comma 0. So in this form, foci is plus minus c comma 0. So c is here 5, but we require a and b. How can we find? One more term, that length of transverse axis and length of transverse axis in the form x square upon a square y square upon b square is 2a. That means 2a is given 8. So what is a? A is 4. Now a is known, c is known. B, by using relationship, c square is equal to a square plus b square. So 5 square, a is 4 square, b square. So b square is 25 minus 16, that is 9, or you can say b is equal to 3. Now to find equation we require a and b. A is known, b is known. So required equation. What is required equation? Required equation x square a square means 16 y square upon b square. So equation of hyperbola. So problem solved. Next we are coming to little typical problem in which not directly given center and focus and some condition is given. The problem is the same problem from NCERT book. The problem NCERT textbook. The problem is that find the equation of hyperbola find the equation of hyperbola whose foci at 0, plus minus root 10. One thing. Other is passing through 2, 3. Passing through point 2, 3. Whose coordinate is 2, 3. This is not direct problem. So, what to do? See the conditions. Foci is given 0, plus minus root 10. That means equation of hyperbola is in the form of y square upon a square minus x square upon b square. Foci lie on y axis. Foci lie on y axis. So let equation of hyperbola is y square upon a square minus x square upon b square is equal to 1. Suppose. And foci is given 0, plus minus root 10. So C is root 10. So one of the relationship is C square is equal to A square plus B square. C is given root 10. So we can say A square plus B square is equal to 10. Equation 2. Now second condition is given. Hyperbola passing through point whose coordinate 2, 3. So coordinate of this point satisfy equation of hyperbola. What is y? Y is 3. So 3 square upon a square, 2 square upon b square is equal to 1. Or you can say 9 upon a square minus 4 upon b square is equal to 1. 3. Now equation 2 and 3. 2 unknowns and 2 equations. You can suppose as a square as x or a square as some other term t, and or solve directly from 2. You take either a in terms of b or b in terms of a. As we have taken b square is 10 minus a square. Now substitute b square in equation 3. Equation 3 is 9 upon a square minus 4 upon 10 minus a square is equal to 1. Simplify. A square 10 minus a square as LCM. So 9 10 minus a square 4a square is equal to 1. 90 minus 9a square minus 4a square 10a square a raised to the power 4 is equal to 1 by cross multiplication. So 90 minus 9a square minus 4a square is equal to 10a square a raised to the power 4. Or you can say a raised to the power 4, take all terms on left hand side. 9 and 4 is 13. Minus 10 plus 90 is equal to 0. So a raised to the power 4 minus 23a square plus 90 is equal to 0. Now it is again a problem. Now this equation in 4th degree. So how can we solve? In class 10 you have solved quadratic equations. Let a square as any other variable, that suppose it is t. So equation 4 will be t square 23t plus 90 is equal to 0. Now it is reduced in quadratic. Now you can solve easily quadratic equations by factorizing 18 5 the 90. So 18t minus 5t plus 90 is equal to 0. Factors t minus 18 minus 5 t minus 18. So this gives t minus 18, one of the factor, and t minus 5. So what does it imply? T is equal to 18 and t is equal to 5. Now what was t? Our substitution as a square is t. That means a square is 18 or 5. Now check for the solution. That is, because we have to find b also, na, b square. B square, if a square is 18, a square as 18, and you know b square from the equation 2, b square is equal to 10 minus a square. So 10 minus 18 minus 8. But b square, it should be positive, greater than or equal to 0. So rejected. That means a square 18 is not possible. Means a square is 5. Now if a square is 5, then b square 10 minus 5, so b square is 5. A square is 5, b square is 5. So required equation of ellipse, hyperbola, required equation of hyperbola. What was the equation? Y square upon a square minus x square upon b square is equal to 1. Y square minus x square is equal to 5. So this is required equation of hyperbola as per the conditions given. So these are the problems of hyperbola. Thank you.